What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1965 Mustang. This is a 4-speed car with a 289. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. Got finance information, transportation, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Post videos every single day, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's that time. Let's go for a ride. I'm gonna check this car out on the inside before we take off, kind of look around. Go ahead and get her started up here. Got tack on the left side of the dash. On the right side, you got a working clock. 85,000 miles is what it's showing on the dash. Looks like our gas gauge is on the low side, so we're gonna be stopping up there, putting in some fuel, checking to see if that works. Couldn't get the blower motor to cut on during the walk around nor the radio, and the horn doesn't work. We do have wipers. Let's take off. Getting ready to take off, go down the road here. Trying to get this seat belt out from behind me. They had it clipped. We'll go ahead and put this on. Any flaws that I see, I will point out. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. Alright guys, getting nice and comfy in the Mustang here. Wonder if this brake works. We'll go ahead and try it. The emergency brake isn't working. I feel like the cable's stretched the way this thing feels. There's no power steering on this car. Clutch feels pretty good. It's shifting nice and easy. As we're riding down the road, I noticed the speedo cable's not working. Hitting all the gears nice and smooth. Steering's nice and tight. And it's not pulling us all over the road. We're going straight. Suspension feels good. There was a little bit of a bump in the road back there. Before I get too close to anybody, I'm gonna go ahead and try the brakes. Brakes are working. You can feel all the road because of the non-power steering. Brakes are stopping fine. I got a lot of pedal here. We're gonna pull in here. I'm gonna put about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car. I wanna see if the gas gauge works. It's right on E right now, so we're gonna pull in here and throw some fuel in it. Got your gas cap right here in the back. Go ahead and put some fuel in there, and we'll check this gas gauge. So we put about $20 worth of fuel in here. Your gas gauge is over here. Go ahead and turn the key on. Looks like it's slowly moving. We'll continue to watch it. I probably need to drive a little bit and it should come up. I'll let y'all know. some gauges. Gas gauge Came up a little bit, but it's really not working properly. It's coming up really slow, so oil pressure's still right there in the middle. Engine temp came up a little bit, and it's right there. So not exact figures on these old school gauges, that's for sure. This car's definitely got a nice cam in it. It's got my camera shaking like crazy right now, but with the GoPro 7, it's got that stable video on it, so it should be nice and smooth. If you want to know the equipment that I use, just look below in the description. We're going to continue this test drive. And head on back up towards the lot. Steering wheel, that's for sure. It's kind of bouncing a little bit. I'm sure you can see that through most of the video. Very smooth running car. Do like how the throttle feels. It's got a lot of pedal there. No race car, but definitely got some power. It's good for cruising. If it was my car, I'd probably invest in the power steering. Go ahead and get that put on the car here, just to make it easier and more modern. Big old bump in the road we're going to hit up here, kind of show you how the suspension feels. It's right here. Nice and smooth. If you've seen any of my other videos, we've hit it in some less smooth suspensions, about threw me into the ceiling. So that's a really good bump to hit. I always do that. Kind of give you an example. It's hard to tell in a video how smooth the car is. Turn signals are cutting on. I hear them clicking and blinking on the dash here. Coming up on the lot now, so I'm gonna turn into the lot, go ahead and finish up my walk around videos for the day, and get all this information put out for y'all. So we got a blue Chevelle sitting over here we're getting ready to take on a test drive as well. Alright guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this every single day. Drive all these old school classic cars up here. Check our website out, maplemotors.com. Financing options, 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and transportation options are available on that website. If you like the quality of these videos that I've been putting out, you can see all of my equipment below in the description. I do appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all have a good day. Thanks again, guys.